In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your TikTok region or location. Okay, so if you've updated TikTok recently, you'll notice that if you go to the me icon at the bottom right and then tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right and then tap on manage account right at the top, this is where you would normally be able to change your language and your region or location. But since the update, you're not able to do that anymore. So you need a workaround. And to do this, you can install any VPN, and a VPN will allow you to change your location remotely. So if I go to the Play Store on my Android device, you can go to the Apple App Store on an iOS device. You just want to search for a VPN, and I recommend TunnelBear. TunnelBear is a free VPN service that you can download on your phone. You just want to go ahead and install that. As you can see, I have it installed, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and then it will prompt you to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You'll create a free account if it's the first time. And I've just logged in, so I tap on get tunneling, and you will have a megabyte limit for the free version, but it's more than enough megabytes to go ahead and change your location and view a few TikToks in a different location. So to change your location, you can tap on there where it says fastest with that up arrow. I'm going to select United Kingdom, and it's going to start connecting me to the United Kingdom. Just want to tap OK, and I am now connected, so I can go back to TikTok, go to my home screen, and I can refresh, and I should start seeing TikToks from the United Kingdom. So that is how you change your TikTok region or location. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.